In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to log out your Facebook account from all devices on your PC. So on your computer, open Facebook and log into your Facebook account. Now click on your profile photo and click on Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. In Settings, click on Account Center. From Account Center, click on Password and Security. Under Security Checks section, click on where you are logged in and select your Facebook account. And here you will find all of your add date or logged in devices. To remove any device, scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on Select Devices to log out. And now, if you want to remove your Facebook account from all devices at once, then click on Select All and then click on Logout. Or you can manually select specific devices to log out your Facebook account. Just click on Logout and click on Logout, and your Facebook account will be signed out from those selected devices. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.